Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zusgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we started our Unit 2. Okay, so Unit 2 is based on problem solving. So in previous video or in a previous lecture, we already discussed about what is mean by problem solving techniques. Like heuristic search is one of the problem solving technique, which is a form of a informed search technique. Okay, so in previous unit, that is in the unit 1, we already discussed about the uninformed search technique. Okay, like BFS, DFS and the iterative deepening DFS. And the second type of problem solving search technique is the informed search technique. Okay, so where in previous lecture we already discussed about the heuristic search technique. Okay, so in the heuristic search technique, the first point is, in the heuristic search technique makes the decision by ranking every available choice at each branch of a search and then choose the best option of the 1,000 present. Okay, so in the heuristic search technique there are different search algorithms that can be utilized depending on the task, like hill climbing hai, simulation annealing hai, BFS, DFS, best first search. Okay, so see here in the heuristic search, in the artificial intelligence there are different techniques like hill climbing, constraint satisfaction problem, simulated annealing and the best first search. Okay, so we are going to discuss these points one by one. So the first, the heuristic search technique is the hill climbing algorithm. Okay, so let us discuss here. In the hill climbing algorithm, it is a local search algorithm, which is also called as a local search algorithm, which continuously moves in the direction of increasing elevation to find the peak of the mountain or base solution to the given problem. So it is also called as a greedy local search. The hill climbing algorithm, which is also called as a local search algorithm, and the greedy local search algorithm. It only looks to its good immediate neighbor state and not beyond that. So this hill climbing algorithm terminates when it reaches a peak value where no neighbors has a higher value. So the node of this hill climbing algorithm has two components. First component use किया जाता है state, and the another component is a value. The node of the hill climbing algorithm has a two components, which are state and the second one is the value. So hill climbing is mostly used when a good heuristic is available. ओके, ह्यूरिस्टिक सर्च क्या करता है, जो भी हमें गुड सॉल्यूशन है अमंग ऑल दिस रिलेटेड थिंग्स, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द गुड सॉल्यूशन. ओके, बाय यूजिंग द ह्यूरिस्टिक सर्च. ओके, so hill climbing is one of the algorithm which is used to find out the good heuristic. So hill climbing is a heuristic search used for the mathematical optimization problem in the field of artificial intelligence. So if you are having the last set of inputs and a good heuristic function, okay, first we have lots of input values or a set of input, and for that we have the good heuristic function. So in that it tries to find out the sufficient good solution to the problem. Okay, among all these input values, if we are applying the heuristic functions on this input, so we have to find out the good solution for that particular problem. So this solution may not be the global optimal maximum. Okay, so next thing is the features of hill climbing. So there are different main features of this hill climbing algorithm. First is the generate and test variant, then greedy approach, and the next thing is no backtracking. Okay, so these are the features of the hill climbing. If we are using the hill climbing algorithm in our problem, though we are not using the backtracking, so this is a greedy approach, and then generate and test variant. Greedy approach means what? A local approach. So next thing is the state space diagram for the hill climbing. Okay, so how this hill climbing algorithm works. So this is a state space diagram landscape, and it is a graphical representation of the hill climbing algorithm, which showing the graph between the various states. So these are the different states of algorithm, and we have the objective function also. Okay, so what are the different regions for this hill climbing? Local maxima hai, global maxima, then the current state, shoulder, state space, objective function. Okay, so in this hill climbing algorithm we are having the different state space and the objective function. So depending on the state space and the objective function, we have to find out the good solution or optimal solution. Okay, so here what is mean by local maxima? Okay, here we have a local maxima. So this local maxima is a state. So this is a state which is a better than its neighbor state. Okay, इसके neighbor states कौन से है? Okay, इसका neighbor state है local maxima flat वाला है के this is our current state. So based on the compared to this current state and the local maxima, flat local maxima, the local maxima is a better. But there is also the another state which is a bigger than this local maxima. So what is the bigger state compared to this local maxima? That is the global maxima. Okay, compared to the neighbors, the local maxima is the better. But if we are talking about the another state, the compared to the other state, the local maxima is a not better. Okay, so there is another state, that is the local maxima. Sorry, there is another state which is a global maxima state, which is higher than the local maxima. Okay, so see here, so this is a global maxima and this is a local maxima. Compared to this neighbor, the local maxima has a higher solution, but compared to this global maxima, the local maxima has a lower state. So this is all about the local maxima. Then the next thing is the global maxima. The global maxima is the best possible state of the state space landscape. So this is our state space landscape. So in that, the global maxima is a best possible solution, and it has the higher value of the objective function. It has a higher value of the objective function. Then the next component is the current state. Okay, so see here in this diagram, the current state is what here. If we are plotting the graph for the state space and objective function, the current state of our current state is what, starting from this position, then this position. Okay, so this is our path from like this. Okay, from this to this, then we are reaching to this global maxima and then come back to this position. So current state is what here. So this is our current state. So it is a state in the landscape diagram where the agent is currently present. Okay, our agent is currently present in this position. Okay, the agent starts moving from this position, then shoulder, then at the global maxima and then at the current state. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमारा क्या होगा, एजेंट प्रेजेंट होगा. Then plateau or local maxima, flat or a local maxima, which is also called as a flat local maxima. So it is a flat surface in this state space landscape where all the neighbor state of the current state have the same value. Okay, throughout this region our value is what, same. Okay, okay, जहाँ पे objective function constant होगा but our state is changing from this position to this position, then this position. So agent is moving from the same objective function but the state space is changing. Okay, so this is all about the local maxima. Then the ridge. Okay, so ridge means what, the region which is higher than the neighbor but itself has the slope. Okay, higher than the region. Okay, so this is all about the region. So it is a region which is higher than its neighbors but itself has a slope. So it is a special kind of a local maxima. And the last thing is the shoulder. So it is a plateau region which has an uphill edge. Okay, the plateau region. So here, what is difference between the flat local maximum shoulder? Okay, so there is a flat region, there is also flat region, but after the flat region we have this type of slope. But if you are talking about the shoulder, it is a plateau region. First we have a plateau region, that is the flat maximum region. Then we have a upper hill edge. We have a uphill edge. So this is a shoulder. The agent moving to this, so एजेंट जो भी होगा ये अगर ये वाली पोजीशन में, सो क्या करेगा, यहाँ तक रीच करेगा, देन इसको क्या मिलेगा, यहाँ पे ये सरफेस मिलेगा, बट उसको आगे जाके पता चलेगा कि इसके आगे भी एक मैक्सिमम लेंथ है, ओके, हिल है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा, देन वो कम बैक टू दिस पोजीशन, सो यहाँ पे भी ये होगा. सो दिस इज अ हिल क्लाइंबिंग एल्गोरिथम. देन देर आर डिफरेंट रीजन्स. ओके, कौन से रीजन्स है यहाँ पे डिफरेंट, लोकल मैक्सिमा है, ग्लोबल मैक्सिमा है, देन फ्लैट लोकल मैक्सिमा है. ओके, सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट रीजन्स. So in the hill climbing algorithm there are different regions in the state space landscape. First is the local maximum, then global maximum, and then the current state. So in the local maxima, the local maximum is a state which is better than the neighbor state, but there is also another state which is higher than it. Okay, as I said earlier. In the global maxima is the best possible state of the state space landscape. It has the higher value of the objective function. What is the current state? So it is the state in the landscape diagram where an agent is currently present. And the next is a plateau or flat local maxima. It is a flat space in the landscape where all the neighbor state of the current state have the same value. Then the reach, it is a region which has a higher than its neighbors but itself has a slope, and it is a kind of a local maximum. And the shoulder, it is a plateau region similar to the flat local maxima but it has a uphill edge. Okay, so this is all about the state space region. Okay, local maximum in this diagram, local maximum, global maximum, current state, plateau, local maxima, ridge maxima, and the shoulder also. Okay, so next point is the problems in hill climbing. Okay, what are the problems are generated in the hill climbing algorithm? Okay, if our agent is moving from this hill, so what are the problems are facing? Okay, so the first problem in hill climbing is a local maxima. If our agent is moving through the hill, so if you are reaching to the local maxima, so what are the problems arises in this position, and what is the solution for that problem? So first problem is a local maximum. So local maximum is a peak state in the landscape which is better than the each of its neighboring state, but okay, better than the each of the neighboring state, but there is another state also present which is higher than the local maxima. जहाँ तक अगर एजेंट यहाँ तक रीच होता है, सो उसको क्या लगेगा कि वो मैक्सिमम एंड तक रीच हो गया, बट उसको आगे जाके पता चलेगा कि अनादर हिल भी है. अगर करंटली अगर एजेंट यहाँ पे होता है, सो उसको क्या लगेगा कि ये वाला उसका हायर पार्ट है मैक्सिमम में, तो यहाँ तक वो रीच हो जाएगा, बट यहाँ तक रीच होने के बाद उसको पता चलेगा कि उसको बाद आगे जाके एक अनादर हिल, बड़ा वाला हिल है. ओके, so this is a local maximum problem. So what is the solution for this problem? First problem solution is one possible solution is a backtracking. उसको पता चलेगा कि इसके आगे तो वो मूव नहीं कर सकता, सो वो क्या कर सकता है, backtracking कर सकता है. So we can backtrack to some earlier node and try to go in the different direction to attain the global peak. So we can maintain the list of paths almost taken and go back to one of them if the path that was taken leads to the dead end. And another solution can be list of promising plan. Okay, पहले से ही प्लान करके रखेंगे, सो हमें यहाँ पे पता चलेगा पहले से ही कि ये वाला मैक्सिमम है, ये वाला मैक्सिमम नहीं है. Okay, the second problem in hill climbing is the plateau. So plateau is the flat area of a search space in which all the neighbor state of the current state contain the same value. Okay, contain the same value. As I said in this diagram, the state space is चेंजिंग एंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन इज सेम. सो अगर एजेंट अगर मूव करेगा तो उसको क्या मिलेगा, सेम ही फंक्शन मिलेगा. ओके, because of this algorithm does not find any base direction to move. So hill climbing search might be lost in this plateau area. सो कंटिन्यूसली अगर एजेंट अगर हम मूव करता है कंटिन्यूसली, आगे जाके उसको मिलता है कि ये फ्लैट्यू रीजन नहीं है, यहाँ पे आगे जाके एक बड़ा वाला रीजन है. सो सोल्यूशन इज व्हाट हियर, द बिग जंप इन सम डायरेक्शन कैन बी डन in order to get to a new section of the search space. So this method is recommended as in the plateau all neighboring points have the same value. All the neighboring points have the same value. And the another solution is to apply small steps several times in the same direction. This depends on the rule available. Okay, so this is all about the plateau problem. And the third thing is a ridge. So ridge is the special form of a local maxima. ओके, नॉर्मली हमारा लोकल मैक्सिमम क्या करता है, यहाँ तक रीच होने के बाद उसको पता चलेगा देयर इज अनदर हायर वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पोजीशन. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द रीच, सो रीच इज अ स्पेशल फॉर्म ऑफ द लोकल मैक्सिमम. इट हैज़ एन एरिया विच इज़ हायर दैन इट्स सराउंडिंग एरिया, बट इट सेल्फ हैज़ अ स्लोप एंड कैनॉट बी रीच इन द सिंगल मूव. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ रीच. ओके, सो यहाँ तक वो रीच करेगा, देन अगेन यहाँ तक रीच करेगा, देन अगेन यहाँ तक. द सोल्यूशन इज वॉट, ट्राइंग द डिफरेंट पाथ्स एट द सेम टाइम इज अ सोल्यूशन. वी कैन अप्लाई 2 or more रूल्स बिफोर डूइंग द टेस्ट. सो दिस करस्पॉन्ड टू मूविंग इन अ सेवरल डायरेक्शन एट अ वंस. ओके, सो एंड वी कैन यूज द बाय डायरेक्शनल सर्च कैन बी यूजफुल हियर. ओके, हम बाय डायरेक्शनली इसको सर्च कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ तक अगर हम रीच करते, तो यहाँ से भी सर्च करते, कहीं से भी सर्च करो तो भी हमें क्या मिलेगा, सेम ही ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन मिलेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ इसकी वैल्यू, इसका फंक्शन की वैल्यू और इसकी फंक्शन की वैल्यू सेम है. ओके, सो कहीं पे भी हम सर्च करोगे तो हमें सेम ही रिजल्ट मिलेगा इन दिस रीच टेक्निक. Okay, so these are the 3 problems in hill climbing so algorithm. First is the local maximum, then plateau, and third thing is the ridge. The next thing is the what are the advantages and disadvantages of this hill climbing. So advantages is it can be used in the conversion as well as in the discrete domain. And the disadvantages of this hill climbing are it is not an efficient method. It is not suited to problems where the value of the heuristic function drops off suddenly when the solution may be in the sight. And it is a local method as it looks at the immediate solution and decides about the next step to be taken rather than exploring all the consequences before taking a move. Okay. सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में कि हिल क्लाइंबिंग एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है, कैसे वर्क करता है, उसके टाइप्स कौन से हैं. ओके, इसके टाइप्स भी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे, टाइप्स ऑफ हिल क्लाइंबिंग, सो दैट यू कैन बेटर अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस हिल क्लाइंबिंग एंड how these advantages is suitable and how the disadvantages are suitable to this hill climbing. Okay, so in this lecture we are only discussing about the simple description about this hill climbing algorithm, features, state space diagram, what are the regions are present in this state space diagram, and the problems arises in hill climbing algorithm, local maximum, plateau, ridge, and the advantages and disadvantages also. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discussing about the types of hill climbing algorithm. Okay, so thank you.